Okay, so for this example, this is where you were given a center and a point on a circle. So you have the center, which is your h and your k, but you still have to find your radius, right? And in order to find the radius, you're going to use the point on a circle. So if you're given a center and a point on a circle, right, you can find the radius by finding the distance between these 2 points here. So the way that you find the distance, remember, as a refresher, the distance equals the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay, so just as like a reference to that. Okay, so for the distance, right, we gotta figure out what the distance between the center and the point on my circle is. So if I do this, right, my x1 is -2 minus x2, which is -9 squared, plus y2 is 0 minus -4 squared. Okay, so if you go ahead and do that, -2 minus -9, so this turns into a positive, right? So it'd be -2 plus 9, which is 7 squared, plus 0 minus 4 is just -4, so -4 squared. Okay. So then from here, what you're gonna do is we're just gonna we're gonna combine them, or we're gonna do the exponent first and then we'll combine them together. So 7 squared is 49, right? And then -4 squared is 16. So 49 plus 16 is just going to be the square root of 65. So I'm just going to leave it as that for now. So this right here, that's my radius. So this is my radius. Okay, so now I have my center point and the radius, so I can write out the equation of a circle. Okay, so again, you're starting off with x minus, now h, which is -2, so that means this becomes +2 squared, and then plus y minus k, but k is just 0, so technically you can just write y squared, equals, and then the radius is the square root of 65, right? But if I'm taking the square root of 65, and that's going to get squared, technically the square root and the square cancels out, so I'm just left with 65. And then this would be your equation.